My report is all about the silvicultural management system in temperate and boreal forests. A case history of the Hokkaido Tokyo University forest. This study focuses on the silvicultural management system used in the Hokkaido University forest managed by the University of Tokyo. The system aims to balance forest conservation with timber production by using selective tree harvesting and keeping forest cover intact. By reviewing studies and long-term field data, this paper evaluates how effective the silvicultural management system is in protecting biodiversity, supporting timber harvest, and storing carbon. This study looks at how forests are managed in the Hokkaido University forest, which is overseen by the University of Tokyo. The forest management method used there is called the silvicultural management system. This system tries to protect the forest while still allowing trees to be cut for wood. It does this by carefully choosing which trees to harvest so that most of the forest remains untouched. The study reviews research and long-term field data to see how well this system works. It focuses on three main goals: protecting wildlife and plant species biodiversity, allowing sustainable timber production, and helping store carbon to fight climate change. Sustainable forest management is a major goal for forest-rich countries like Japan, where forests cover around 67% of the land. In Hokkaido, the University of Tokyo Forest has developed and tested the silvicultural management system, a forest management approach that avoids clear-cutting and instead focuses on keeping forests healthy, diverse, and productive. Sustainable forest management is very important for countries like Japan, where about 67% of the land is covered by forests. In the Hokkaido region, the University of Tokyo manages a forest where they have created a tested a special method called the silvicultural management system. The silvicultural management system was introduced in the 1990s as a better alternative to clear cutting. Key features include cutting only some mature trees every 8 to 10 years, keeping 70 to 80% of the forest volume. Objectives of silvicultural management system: provide a steady supply of timber, protect biodiversity, plant and animals, help forests resist climate change, support benefits like clean water and carbon capture. Methodology: researchers analyzed long-term data from the Hokkaido University forest collected between 1980 and 1993 with follow-up data up to the 2010. This included forest inventories, timber yields, and biodiversity survey. Summary result: forest growth, remaining trees grow faster after some are removed. Trees types like sakhalin, fir, and spruce remain dominant. Environmental benefits: animal and plants continue to thrive. The soil remain healthy, unlike in clear-cut areas. Economic impact: silvicultural management system produce less short-term profit than clear cutting, but it's better for the long term because it saves on replanting costs and wala na. Pabago-bago kasi. Economic impact: silvicultural management system produce less short-term profit than clear cutting, but it's better for the long term because it saves on replanting costs and support ongoing timber harvesting. Conclusion: The silvicultural management system as practiced in the Hokkaido University Forest demonstrate a viable model for sustainable forest management in temperate and boreal regions. It balances ecological, economic, and social objectives, offering lessons applicable to other forest systems worldwide. Terminologies: canopy gaps, opening that let light in to help young trees grow. Residual basal area, tree area left after cutting. Selection cutting, cutting specific trees, not clear cutting. Silviculture, managing forest growth and quality. Stand volume, the total wood volume in a forest area.